Hello students, today we are going to make our own respiratory system. This is what you will need. You will need a rubber band, 2 balloons, a plastic straw, plasticine, a big bottle, a pen knife, and maybe a pair of scissors. Alright, let's start. Now first, what we need to do is we're going to use this, we're going to get the balloon, stretch it a little, then we're going to tie a knot without blowing it. So you can tie a simple knot. Alright, so just make sure that it's tight, and then next you're going to take the other side of the balloon, find the tip of the balloon, and then I want you to cut a small cut at the top so that you make a small hole. Pause. So now we're going to cut the balloon at the top like this. Alright. And then, so basically what you'll get is an open-sided balloon that can stretch open to make some kind of like flat. Alright, so just leave it one side. Next, you're going to get the bottle. Alright, this one you might need somebody to help you if you're not very good with pen knives. Okay, open the pen knife and then find about half of the bottle, alright, and make a cut all across the bottle. Alright, so it should look like this. This one you don't need already. Be careful of the sharp edges, so you might need to cut off the sharp edges. Alright, so then what you do next, you get the balloon that you cut just now, take the bottle, and then you just have to stretch it across the neck of the bottle. Right, so, right now it goes a little bit weird, but you just try to stretch it out, it should be fine, so it should look like this. Alright, next you take out the cap. Then ready? 3, 2, 1 ready?
3, 2, 1.
Okay, then after that, now you take out the cap, right? So what you do next is you need to make your, so this is actually your rib cage, right? Now you're going to make your windpipe. So to make the windpipe, you get your straw, and then you get the balloon, slot it in, right? Then you take a rubber band and you make a few loops around the balloon, right? So make sure that it's tight. Right. Okay, so it should look like this. Yep. Okay. Just make sure you tighten it a little bit more. Okay, when that's done, so now what you do is you get your rib cage and then you put the whole balloon in. Alright? Then what you do is you get your plasticine, take a chunk of plasticine out, and then just wrap it over the balloon, the straw. Like so. So make sure that it's tight enough so that the straw doesn't move about. Sorry, this should not come out. Let's put this back. Alright, so now we have added the masking tape over here to make sure that the balloon doesn't come out. So just make sure before if you do anything else, just make sure the plasticine is tight on the bottle neck and also tightly placed on the straw. And finally, It's done. So what you do is basically you look at the parts. This is the diaphragm. This is the rib cage. The balloon is the lung. And this is the windpipe. Alright? And the opening is the nose. So when we breathe in, this is what happens. The diaphragm actually flattens outwards, causing the lung to expand. As you can see, the balloon is now a little bit inflated. Right? This is when we take in air. And so when we breathe out, the opposite happens. The diaphragm now pushes in, and the balloon becomes smaller. The balloon deflates because air is now pushed out of the lungs. So as this cycle goes on and on, as we breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. And there you have it, your model. Please go and make it yourself and you will enjoy it. Thank you.